Hey, welcome to Hardscape Nate's Kitchen, and thank you for joining me on Hardscape After Hours. Today, I'm going to enlighten you on my favorite drink after a nice long day, and that is the Old Fashioned. But not just any Old Fashioned, the true Old Fashioned, a Brandy Old Fashioned as we do here in Wisconsin. And so our ingredients, well, of course, the best, Korbel brandy. I'm looking after my figure, so we've got some zero sugar starry. The most important part is the beautiful dark cherries, not those light maraschino kitty cocktail ones, but the nice dark cherries. We've got our bitters. Today we're going to use both our normal bitters and some orange bitters. Our sugar cubes. Any packet of sugar will do, but we're going to use the raw sugar cubes and some orange. So let's get started. Let's build ourselves an old fashioned. So we're going to start by grabbing one of our sugar cubes, plop that in the glass. Followed, I've got my pre-cut orange. I'm going to toss just a little bit of that starry in there. Couple dashes of bitters, our regular bitters. 4 or 5 dashes work. Couple 2-3 dashes of our orange bitters. That's just a little added extra here. Now we're going to take our muddler, our little crunchy crunch here, and we're going to beat this down. Mix that around, get that sugar cube all broke up, mixed in with that soda in there. Oh, we forgot. We need to muddle our cherry. Take my spoon, I'm going to scoop a cherry, a little bit of that beautiful juice as I'm making a mess. Get that cherry juice in there. Muddle that down in. Now we've got a beautiful base started. Got our orange, our cherry, our bitters all muddled together. Now grab a little bit of ice. Most important ingredient in this recipe, Korbel brandy. And for those of you not from Wisconsin, just a fun fact, Wisconsinites consume more brandy than any other country in the world. And I did say that correctly, not just any state in the U.S., but we consume more brandy than any country in the world. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. And since it's been a long day, we'll add just a smidge more brandy to that. But 1 shot brandy. Now we'll top it off a little bit more of our starry. We'll find ourselves a chopstick stir stick. We'll mix that up. Get that nice stirred around. Now we need to top this off nicely, so we'll hit the final touches. A little shot of orange garnish, a little cherry to go with it, and now we have a Wisconsin Brandy Old Fashioned sweet. I don't care how hard that day was, that will make you forget all about it. Keep hardscaping, and we'll see you on the next After Hours.